Say hi, guys. Hi, guys. Welcome to my channel. I'm just so happy that I reached 100 subscribers. And I know these are my families and friends, people that I know personally. You are the extension of my social media. So I have an idea. I'm planning to create videos based from my subscribers' suggestions. So leave me a comment of what do you want to see on my video. Then I'll see you later. I created this living wall art for our friend that celebrated their 30th wedding anniversary. I found the idea from Pinterest. When I saw this frame at the local store, I said this is perfect, and I love the scripture, "Let all that you do be done in love," based from 1 Corinthians 16:14. These are the things that I used for that living frame. I have preserved moss in 2 colors. I have this pink and a yellow green. And then I have this pin metal, which I cut and twist around to look like this hoop. This hoop will hold the air plant, so you can remove the air plant when you want to dip them in the water. And I have pebbles, hot glue, and a gun, something to add for some texture and design. First thing you want to do is lay down everything on the frame to see how you want your design to be. Then you can start gluing everything together. So I use this cord to hold the hoop. This will hold my air plant. When I was gluing them together, I want to make sure that they stick, so I would press them down and sometimes would have to reinforce everything. You want to fill in any gap that you see, so it's gonna look lusciously green, if that makes sense. At this point, I just want to make sure that the color between the yellow, green, and the pink would match, so I laid them down first before gluing them. I want to make the edges look clean, so I push them back a little after I glue them. Please excuse my frizzy hair. If you want to make sure everything's holding up, you want to push them down and then flip it, shake it to see if anything would fall off. It's looking good. Now let's try putting the plant in. I decided to add some pebbles for more color and texture. Just make sure you don't put too much pebbles or anything that would make the frame heavier. Again, you want to make sure the pebbles are holding up tightly. So flip it and then shake them. So my living wall frame is done. They can either put this on the shelf or hang it on the wall. But more importantly, don't forget that living thing hanging in there. You have to water the air plant at least once a week. Hope you like this project, and thank you for watching. So if you're not already, please subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and leave me a comment, and have a great day. Bye!